Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue solving Test Yourself from chapter Circles. So let's start with question number 18. In the given figure, angle ACE is equal to 43 degree and angle CAF is equal to 62 degree. Find the values of A, B and C. We are given the figure over here, we need to find out the angles A, B and C. ये angles find out करना है. बहुत ही easy है students, बहुत ही easy है. So first we can easily find out C. ये angle मैं easily find out कर सकती हूँ. This quadrilateral ABDE, ये जो quadrilateral दिख रहा है, it is a cyclic quadrilateral because the vertices A, B, D and E are lying on the circumference of the circle. So this is a cyclic quadrilateral. ठीक है, A, B, D, E. This is angle A. This is 62 degree. And C, this angle, is the exterior angle of this cyclic quadrilateral. C is the exterior angle of the cyclic quadrilateral and exterior angle of the cyclic quadrilateral is equal to its interior opposite angle. Exterior angle is equal to its interior opposite angle. ये exterior का बाजू वाला angle, neighboring angle छोड़ दो, neighboring का opposite angle. So this angle is equal to C. That is, I can say C is equal to 62 degree. Right? C is equal to angle BAE. BAE 62 है. So I can say C is 62 degree. Right? तो ये मुझे easily मिल जाएगा. Using cyclic quadrilateral का property. Again we are going to use some other property of cyclic quadrilateral. Now what is the other property of cyclic quadrilateral? Opposite angles are supplementary. So A find out करने के लिए I am going to find out its opposite angle. Okay, once I get its opposite angle, then I can easily find out A. Because opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. That is, opposite angles का sum 180 degree है. Okay, so angle ABD, that is A, plus angle AED, sum will be 180. So I just need to find out AED. ये find out करना है, ये वाला angle. ये भी बहुत easy है. AED is nothing but AEC. I need to find this angle. And in this triangle, I know this angle is 62. This angle is 43. ये ट्रायंगल में दो एंगल्स तो मुझे पता है, तो मैं थर्ड एंगल इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकती हूँ. सम ऑफ ऑल द एंगल्स ऑफ द ट्रायंगल इज 180 डिग्री. सो 62 प्लस 43 प्लस एंगल AEC is 180. So AEC will be 180 minus 62 plus 43 हो जाएगा 105. So AEC is 75. AED is nothing but AEC. AED बोलो या AEC बोलो, एक ही बात है. So this is 75. So I can easily find out the opposite angle. Sum of the two is 180 degree. So A मिल जाएगा. A you will get as 105, right? This is 75. 75 plus A is 180. So A is 105. तो A भी मिल जाएगा, बहुत ही easy है. Once you get A and C, अब B find out करना है. For finding out B, what we are going to do is B plus C is equal to AED. Okay, we are going to use exterior angle property of the triangle. So if I consider this triangle, ये जो triangle है DEF, DEF, ये triangle में this angle C, I know it is 62 degree. B अभी तक find करना है, and this is a straight line AEF. ये एक्सटीरियर एंगल हो गया ट्रायंगल का. दिस इज द एक्सटीरियर एंगल. एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ द ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ द इंटीरियर ऑपोजिट एंगल्स. सो एक्सटीरियर एंगल का नेबरिंग एंगल छोड़ दो, नेबरिंग एंगल छोड़ के रिमेनिंग टू एंगल्स का सम इज इक्वल टू द एक्सटीरियर एंगल. Okay, now be careful students. Exterior angle property you can apply only if that angle is a straight line. ठीक है, तो ये जो लाइन दिख रहा है ये ट्रायंगल का साइड स्ट्रेट एक्सटेंडेड होना चाहिए. इफ इट इज बेंट, ओके, इफ यू हैव द ट्रायंगल लाइक दिस एंड ऐसे है तो ये एक्सटीरियर एंगल नहीं है. ओके, ये स्ट्रेट है इसीलिए मैंने एक्सटीरियर एंगल कंसिडर किया है. ऑलराइट, सेम वे यहाँ पे भी वही हो गया. ये क्वाड्रिलैटरल में ये साइड स्ट्रेट एक्सटेंडेड है, दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज द एक्सटीरियर एंगल. इफ दिस लाइन इज बेंट देन इट इज नॉट एन एक्सटीरियर एंगल. ऑलराइट, सो एक्सटीरियर एंगल is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles, that is sum of the remote interior angles. Alright, so I can say this angle AED, that is 75 degree, is equal to EDF, that is 62, plus DFE, that is B. So 75 minus 62, 13, so B is 13. ये भी मिल जाएगा. Alright, so let us solve now with proper steps. So starting with the solution, first write down the given and to find part. Given you are given two angles, so write down their values. To find angles A, B and C. Alright, starting with the solution, now first we'll consider this triangle. Okay, ये triangle में ये angle दिया नहीं है, right? ये एंगल फाइंड आउट करना है, दैट इज एंगल AEC. वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट यूजिंग द अदर टू एंगल्स. सो फर्स्ट लेट अस फाइंड आउट AEC. वंस वी गेट दैट देन वी विल फाइंड आउट A, B एंड C, ऑल द थ्री एंगल्स. ठीक है, सो इन ट्रायंगल ACE, ये जो ट्रायंगल है ACE, वी आर गिवन एंगल A, वी आर गिवन एंगल C. Let's find out angle E. Angle ACE is 43 degree and angle CAE is 62 degree. Right? Given, write down given. Now sum of all the angles is 180 degree. Angle ACE plus angle CAE plus angle AEC is 180. Sum of all the angles of triangle is 180 degree. Write down the whole reason. अब values put करते हैं. ACE 43 है, CAE 62 है, AEC find करना है. This will be 105. Don't skip steps, students. Please don't skip steps. So 180 minus 105. So AEC is 75. Right? अब AEC मिल गया. Now let us find out angles ACB. ठीक है, पहले A find out कर लेते हैं, for which we are going to consider this quadrilateral. Now it is not given to us that this is a cyclic quadrilateral, right? So we need to write down a statement that this quadrilateral is a cyclic quadrilateral. From the figure we can conclude, because the vertices, that is A, B, D and E, are lying on the circumference of the circle. Okay, so we'll consider this quadrilateral. A, B, D, E. So write down quadrilateral A, B, D, E is a cyclic quadrilateral. Reason from the figure. Okay. So since it is a cyclic quadrilateral, I can use the properties of cyclic quadrilateral. Alright. So now using the properties, opposite angles are supplementary, that is their sum is 180 degree. So write down A plus angle AED is equal to 180 degree. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Okay. AED is nothing but AEC. AED is nothing but AEC. Right? So इसको मार्क कर दो 1. AEC का वैल्यू यहाँ पे पुट करने वाले हैं. Okay. So A plus 75 is 180. Write down from 1. Alright. So A is 180 minus 75, that is 105. A मिल गया, बॉक्स कर दो. We'll write down the values at the end again. ठीक है. So A का वैल्यू बॉक्स कर दो 105 डिग्री. Now we'll find out C. A फाइंड आउट किया, अब C फाइंड आउट करते हैं. Exterior angle is equal to its interior opposite angle. This is 62. So this will also be 62. So write down angle C. Angle C is the exterior angle of quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilateral ABDE. अगेन यहाँ पे रीजन लिख सकते हो फ्रॉम द फिगर. ठीक है. सो एक्सटीरियर एंगल is equal to its interior opposite angle, that is angle BAE. ठीक है. So we got C equal to angle BAE. Exterior angle of the cyclic quadrilateral is equal to its interior opposite angle. Exterior angle of the cyclic quadrilateral is equal to its interior opposite angle. Okay. BAE 62 है. BAE बोलो या CAF बोलो, one and the same. Okay. So BAE is 62. Put the value. Write down the reason over here. Angle BAE is nothing but angle CAF, which is 62 given. ठीक है. तो C का भी वैल्यू मिल गया. Now we'll be using the value of C, this angle, to find out angle B. तो C को भी मार्क कर दो. ठीक है. Mark this as 2. So C का वैल्यू अब यूज करेंगे. What we are going to do is we are going to consider this triangle DEF. Okay. We need to find out angle B. C अभी find out किया 62 है. Exterior angle AED, which is 75. All right. Exterior angle of the triangle is equal to its interior opposite angles का sum. Okay. So exterior angle का neighboring angle छोड़ दो, remaining two angles का sum is equal to its exterior angle. So first we'll write down angle AED is the exterior angle of triangle DEF from the figure. Write down the reason. ठीक है. So exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles, that is C plus B. रीजन देना पड़ेगा, वही रीजन, एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ द इंटीरियर ऑपोजिट एंगल्स. AED is nothing but AEC, which we found earlier, right? So put the value 75 degree, C का value 62 degree. Write down over here from 1 and 2. So 75 minus 62, that is 13. Switch the sides, B is 13. Box कर दो. So box the values of A, B and C, and now final में वापस से सारे values लिखो. So write down the angles are, the required angles are A equal to 105, B equal to 13 and C equal to 62. A का वैल्यू यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा नहीं है, 105 होगा, राइट? दिस इज 75, सो ये 105 मिला था. सो दीज आर द वैल्यूज ऑफ द एंगल्स.